Hello friends, welcome back to Info Channel. Today, we are going to dive into the extraordinary life of a man known as the Indian Hercules. His amazing strength, braveness, kind heart, and unforgettable performances have made him a legendary figure in India's history. He is none other than Kodi Ram Murthy Naidu. Ready to learn more about him, Raja?
I thought you are talking about me. It's okay, I'm ready for it.
So, Ram Murthy Naidu was born on January 12, 1882, in a small village in Andhra Pradesh, India. From a young age, he showed incredible strength. His uncle, who was a well-known wrestler, trained him in traditional wrestling. Ram Murthy was naturally gifted, and even as a teenager, he was famous for his strength.
Wow, so he was strong from the beginning.
Yeah, but here's something really interesting. During his travel to Mexico, he did something that blew everyone's mind. He threw a bull to the ground like it was no big deal.
A bull? That's insane.
I know, his strength made him a huge hit internationally. And then, there was that time he carried a full-grown elephant on his chest.
An elephant? Seriously?
Yes, that's why people started calling him the modern-day Hercules. But, do you know who actually gave him the official title of Indian Hercules?
No idea. Who was it?
I'm not going to tell you now. You have time until the end of the video to figure it out. And hey friends, if any of you know who gave Ram Murthy Naidu the title of Indian Hercules, leave a comment below. Let's see who gets it right.
You're really going to make me wait?
Of course. Moving on, despite his fame, Ram Murthy was a very generous man. He used much of his earnings for charity. He was always helping others and trying to improve their lives.
That's really inspiring. He wasn't just strong, but was also a good person.
Absolutely. His performances in the circus also played a big part in making him famous around the world. He performed strength acts that left audience amazed, and he became a global sensation.
So, he was a mix of a strong man and a performer. That's a rare combo.
Exactly. He balanced his physical training with formal education too. He wasn't just focused on his body, but on improving his mind as well. And later, he even worked in a gym, inspiring others to get fit and stay healthy.
He really did a lot, didn't he?
Yes, he did. And now, let's get back to our challenge. Any guess on who gave him the title of Indian Hercules?
Still no idea.
Alright, time's up. The answer is King George and Queen Mary were impressed with his feats and gave him the title Indian Hercules after watching his display of physical strength. He was the first Indian to be so honored by the royal couple.
A British king? That's amazing.
Yes, and that title stuck with him, making him a legendary figure both in India and around the world. You know, Raja, there is a rumor that RRR movie actor Ram Charan is going to work on biopic of Ram Murthy Naidu.
That's amazing. If this news is real, I will definitely watch that movie. Well, I learned something new today. And Rani, thanks for the valuable info.
Anytime. And friends, did you guess the right answer? Let us know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting stories.